prototype program. We're super excited. We're on our way to our Hillsborough board meeting for the airport master plan committee. We didn't get a seat yet on the committee, but we did get invited to sit in, and we're going to take every opportunity we can get. So you can see we're walking by Hillsborough Airport now. Super excited because this is ADHERE's first public appearance, hence the suit. To kind of sit in on topics that are very much related to ADHERE and the future of how we build our infrastructure in line with how some of these airports develop themselves. So with that being said, we're amped, we're excited to be here, and we'll give you guys an update when it's done. ADHERE out.